This is the RC Remote that comes with certain packages when you buy the DJI Mini 3 Pro, or if you're lucky enough to find it in stock, you can buy as a standalone product. Until recently, you could only control the Mini 3 Pro or the Mavic 3, but after a very recent firmware update, it can now control the DJI Air 2S, which of course is fantastic. And I did a video on updating the firmware for the RC Remote and the Air 2S. I've put the link up there for you. But of course, this leaves one crucial question. Can you now just have one remote control that will control both devices? If you're lucky enough to own Mini 3 Pro and the Air 2S, can you literally go out for the day with just the two drones and the one remote? Well, yes, is the simple answer to that. And what's really, really good is that it's actually very, very straightforward to switch between the two drones. I went through in the video the other day on how you actually have to pair the drone for the first time. So the first time you're actually connecting the drone to the RC Remote, you have to go into pairing mode. Very quick reminder on how to do that. Switch on the drone that you want to pair, have the RC Remote on as well. Tap the connection guide, bottom right, and click camera view, top right. And then you get taken into the camera view. Now, you don't really need to worry too much because obviously if you haven't paired it before, you're not going to be connected, but you can still tap the three dots top right. You can then go over to control and you can scroll down to the very bottom and you'll have pair to aircraft. You tap that and then all you've got to do is, with the drone already on, you press and hold the power button for 4 seconds, it makes its bleep, and then it is paired. Now, back to the point of this video. I have already paired both this Air 2S and the Mini 3 Pro. So it's absolutely brilliant. What it does is it remembers the last drone that you actually fired up. So I think I was flying the Air 2S. So let's just fire that up now. And if the Air 2S was the last drone that you were flying, it will automatically hook up without you having to do anything. So there we go. We've now got the blue screen, go fly. And Bob is your uncle, so they say. Please check it on the map. Okay, so brilliant stuff. Now let's turn that off. And come out of here. And we're back to the main blue screen. This time, I'm going to turn on the Mini 3 Pro. Now this time, no amount of waiting is going to show the Mini 3 Pro automatically in this. You have to click the connection guide down the bottom. And you'll see that it is offering the Air 2S as the drone to connect to, but scroll left. Next option, you've got two other options, Mavic 3 or the Mini 3 Pro. And it remembers the drones that you've been flying. So I was previously flying the Mini 3 Pro, tap on that. One little annoying bug, and I do believe it's a bug, this little firmware version inconsistent, update firmware before use, pops up every single time. I'm sure it's a little bug. I'm sure by the time I post this video, DJI will have actually fixed it. Because irrespective of whether you've got Wi-Fi on, what you've got to do is continue. It doesn't take approximately 1 minute. It literally takes about 5 seconds. And then there you are, firmware is updated. And that's it. Because I've already paired, it's already gone straight into camera mode. And now, as you can see there, we've got the Mini 3 Pro being controlled. So look, very quick video today, just to show you that basically, yes, one remote now is literally one remote to rule them all and in the darkness bind them, I guess you could say. Absolutely brilliant that now I can take two drones, one remote. This remote, of course, can be charged on the go via USB, so it can be recharged by a power bank. Seriously, it is a fantastic upgrade, and I really couldn't be happier that I now have just one remote control which controls my two favourite model drones. Obviously, it's no secret how much I love the Mini 3 Pro and the flexibility it gives you to fly pretty much anywhere as long as you're not in controlled airspace. But you cannot beat the huge 1-inch sensor, 20 megapixel sensor for those big stills, and the insane ability it's got to fly in strong winds. So literally now, when I'm going away on a trip, these are going to be the two drones I take with me, and it's one less thing to carry about. So couldn't be happier. Anyway, look, very quick video today, as I said. If you like it, as ever, give me a little thumbs up. Till next time, wherever you are in the world, have fun, happy flying.